Mysterious foam floods Martin Avenue in Santa Clara. San Jose Fire Department says a malfunction at the San Jose airport in a new hangar has caused a malfunction which has resulted in a foam flooding the 300 block of Martin Avenue in Santa Clara. Foam stopped flowing out of the vents of the hangar around 1:30 p.m. Friday. If you are near the substance, San Jose Fire Department warns that you should not go in it as it is a known carcinogen. The fire retardant can cause an irritation to the skin. The foam has flooded the hangar at San Jose Airport and is blowing into surrounding surface streets. San Jose Fire says the hangar deals with jet planes. San Jose Fire says that a fire alarm malfunctioned releasing the foam. The hangar is owned by Signature Flight Support and accommodates large cabin-sized aircraft. They provide support services like aviation fueling.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.